So you're starting at 650, 100%. You have to add on 23% VAT, so you want to go up to 123%. So always go to 1% in the middle. So how do I go from 650 down to 1? Divide by 100, and that will give me 6.5. And then I need to go up to 123. So how do I get up to 123? Multiplied by 123. What's my answer? Say that again. 799.50. Did we get that? Is that a yes? Yes.
I got it right, but I didn't do it the way you did it.
Yeah, I want it done this way. Right, the reason I want it done this way is because when we come to the ones working backwards, this is the way you have to do it. So I'm trying to get you into this method. So you got 23% and added it on.
I done 23 over 100 multiplied by 650.
Yeah, and then you added your answer onto 650. Yeah, that is perfectly correct. And if this was a test, you'd get full marks. Okay, but the reason is I kind of want you to do it this way because when it comes to the harder questions, this is the way you'll have to do it. So if we kind of have one method, we're more likely to remember how to do it. Is that okay? Right, over here it's a games console 120, so that means 100% is equal to 120 euros. So I need to add on 21% VAT. So what am I looking for? What percentage am I looking for? 121. So I have to go down to 1% in the middle. So how do I go down to 1%? I always divide by the top number, divide by 100. In the calculator, 120 divided by 100 would be 1.2. And then you multiply by the bottom number, so you multiply that by 121. And my answer is 145.20. Did you get it right again? But you did it the other way. Yeah, that's great. In a test, that would be full marks. Okay, right, the next one, right, is something is 300. A set of tyres is 300 at 13.5%. So I'm on 100%. What have I to go up to? 113.5. I might write that as 113.5. Is that okay? Right? So 100% is what I start with, 300. And then I have to go down to 1% in the middle. So how do I go down to 1? I divide by 100. D for down, D for divide. So you always divide first. Divide by the top number, which is 3. And then to go up, you multiply by the bottom number. So multiplied by 113.5, and you'll get 100 and what do you get? 3 multiplied by that is 340.50. Okay, because it's money. Okay, is that all right? And the last one, right, is a patio furniture set, costs 1,500 or 1,200. So I'm starting at 100%. I have to put on VAT, so I want to go up to 115%. So I need to go down to 1% in the middle. So 100% is what I'm starting with, 1,200. To go from 100 down to 1, I divide by 100, which is 12. 1,200 divided by 100 is 12. And then to go up to 115, I multiply by 115. So 1380. Okay. Is that right? Okay. So I put another sheet up on Teams there. Right, okay. Between now and tomorrow, I want you to do questions 6 to 11. They're all like this. They're all the exact same. So the sheet I put up on Teams, right, I want you to do numbers 6 to 11, and you can start now. And that's the page there. if you want to take a picture. This one here, this page. You can take the book if you need to straighten it, do you? Fine. Anyone else need the picture? Yeah. Do you want to straighten the book there for yourself? Yeah.